Billy bookcases from IKEA. I have 2 of them, and then I have 2 of the smaller ones plus the doors. It's in the color oak, and it's so pretty. I just love how this looks in this living room. It just fits in the space so well. I also have this little couch from Amazon. The company is Zenith. This pillow is from Home Goods. I was trying to find another one, but I can't. So it's the only one I have. It's really pretty. This rug is from Laloy and the Chris Loves Julia collection. The collection, I think, is Rosemary, and the color is Sage Blush. Really, really pretty. Just adds a little bit of something to this space. Little side table here is from Wayfair. It's from the Kelly Clarkson collection. I actually have 2 of them. They're end tables, but these are absolutely stunning. And then I have my Anthropologie Minka pot with some flowers from Hobby Lobby. So pretty. My shelves here are not decorated at all. I just don't want to fill it up with a bunch of stuff. So I am going through the things I have and getting rid of stuff that I don't use, stuff that just doesn't fit my style anymore, and just seeing what will work. I do have this little pot. I think that's from either Hobby Lobby or At Home. This stack of books was from a little online shop. I think it's called the Nested Fig. The bell is from Christmas time at Target from Studio McGee, but I like it. I like the gold. This little bench is from Olive Atelier. They're online and they do monthly drops. This marble bowl is from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. That was one of the only pieces I really kept. I'd returned everything else because I just felt like I had too much. This is from Home Goods. It's a little olive jar. Really, really pretty coloring. Still have the tag on it. I love that. This mirror is from Hobby Lobby. It had words on it and I took it off with, I think, acetone. And this little plant is from Target, I'm pretty sure, a couple years ago. Hello. This little house is from Home Goods that I got during Christmas time. I thought it was really, really cute, rustic, kept it in there. This is from Walmart, this little bunny. And this is from Hobby Lobby. And that is from Target a couple years ago. I have my coffee mug that matches. This is from Target. And then on this little section here, I have this lamp from IKEA. It's really pretty. I have a bigger one that matches, but this gold detail on it is gorgeous. And then like the pleated lampshade. This was only like $28, so that was a good price. And then this little guy, I don't know if he's cute or creepy, but that is from Hobby Lobby. These books are from At Home. This little scalloped marble dish is from Marshall's. And a lot of this stuff over here is from Walmart. This is Walmart. That's Walmart. The pot and the florals are Walmart. The candlesticks, also Walmart. And then this is from Hobby Lobby. The frame is from Home Goods. It's a picture frame, and then I put a little floral picture in there. And I have some little carrots in here. They're like Sherpa little carrots from Walmart. A little dish from Olive Atelier. Very pretty. Still the tags on these, not sure why. And then my books from Restoration Hardware that I got for free. I think this is from Hobby Lobby. Some more RH books, and then some design books down here. And this is from Target a couple years ago. Now inside the cabinets, I just have kind of like a storage situation going on here. I don't even have these like filled at all. I just have a bunch of candlesticks because I have a candlestick holder problem. I like that I did get doors for like the end pieces here because I do have a lot of seasonal decor like Christmas and Halloween. So this will definitely help with like hiding some of that stuff away, which is super nice. And then we'll move on to the next cabinet. And these are not styled. I just don't have a lot of things to fill up spaces, so I kind of just threw my stuff in there. But I'll go from the bottom here. There's nothing. And then we have this, I think, from Hobby Lobby. That shell was it was in my grandma's house. She passed away and I took it. And then this, I believe, is also from Hobby Lobby. I thought that was interesting. And then a couple things from Hobby Lobby and Target. And that number 8 is from my antique shop. They have this fluted hurricane candle holder that just has some pompous in it from Walmart. It's a really, really pretty blue. Like a smoky blue. It's really nice. And then I have these from Target a couple years ago. I like that they have like a linen texture on them. They're really pretty. I have another one of those little houses over here with a plant, also from Target. Some books, and I think, where did this come from? Oh, this is from At Home. This one is really cute. And then up here, I have a little glass dish. And that is my Billy bookcases that I have yet to style, and I've had them for 2 months. Another look at that little couch. Super cute, fits the space well. Really nice material. So if you're looking for something to like fill a space and you just need extra seating, this couch is really cute. I think it's in like a linen gray color. Here's that other lamp I had from IKEA. I have no lighting in here, so this is really the only lighting I have. And then I'm not sure what I'm doing with this, if I'm selling it or what. This is just what I've got going on over here. And then this little corner, I have this little table from At Home. I have a tree from Target I got for like $12 on clearance in this pot from At Home. So pretty. And then this chair is from Target. So is the pillow. The pillow was on clearance for like $2. I love this chair. It's so pretty. It's like never in stock though. So comfortable. And then I have a little gallery wall that I made that I might be switching up. So those were all collected from like Target and Hobby Lobby over the last couple of years. So I put them all there. And this is my front living room where I come to like relax.